Welcome to our third part of our BRI Investor Survey video summary. In this part, we want to go into more detail on individual questions and the respondents' attitudes to certain topics. Today, we talk about manager selection. We asked both investors and asset managers for their views on various trendy topics. But at first, a quick reminder. The BRI surveyed 109 German institutional investors who together have assets of more than 2.4 trillion euros. We refer to this group as limited partners, LPs, in the following. In addition, for the third time, we surveyed 114 BRI member companies, worldwide operating asset managers and service providers. We refer to this group as general partners, GPs, in the following. But let's start with the questions about manager selection. What do managers think LPs intend to do? And how do investors ultimately act? Do LPs avoid mega managers? What would you think? The results of our LP and GP survey is shown in the box plot right now. The box represents the interquartile range, which is defined as the distance between the first quartile and the third quartile. 50% of the observations are within this range. The middle line in the box represents the median, and the X in the box represents the mean. Opinion on mega managers is mixed. Asset managers slightly underestimate the share of investors that tend to avoid mega managers. But what about the opposite? What about first-time managers? Do LP tend to avoid them? Here are the answers. The opinions of the LPs seems to differ here. A clear answer does not seem possible, even if there's a slight tendency towards an affirmative answer. The GPs are again somewhat more certain in their answers, and there's a clear tendency towards an affirmative answer. What are your opinions on mega managers or first-time managers? Do you have a clear opinion? Let us know in the comments. How would you choose your manager? Which categories are particularly important to you? We asked the survey participants, and here are their answers. The track record seems to be the most important measure in determining a manager. 95% of respondents selected this category. The manager's reputation, existing contracts with the manager, and the manager's investment focus follow at some distance with over 60% of votes. Differentiation in management or performance fees, as well as broad experience across many asset classes, appear to be less important in the selection process. Investors appreciate a clear degree of specialization of the management teams. If you have not seen the first two parts of our investor survey, you will find the links in the video description. If you have not seen our investor survey 2023, you will also find a link in the video description. Also, a quick reminder in our own business, we tend to start our investor survey 2024 in a few months. We would like to have you on board to hear your opinion about the actual market topics. See you soon.